Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create folded text paper effect using Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Photoshop. Now create a gradient adjustment layer. Choose this gradient. Its style will be radial. Reverse it and scale it. Click OK. Now select the typing tool and give it any text. Change its color. Give it any color that you want. I'm going for this one. Click OK when you're satisfied. Now right click on the text layer and click on rasterize type. Now we're gonna give our text a 3D look. So for this, zoom in a bit. Select the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection like this. Now select the burn tool. Make sure highlights is selected, exposure will be 100% and its hardness will be 0%. Adjust it and do like this. Press Ctrl plus D. Now again select rectangular marquee tool and this time create a selection here. Again select the burn tool and do like this. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. So as you can see, we are getting a 3D look. We're gonna do the same to the whole text. So select the rectangular marquee tool. Now on X, we want our shadow to be applied here and here. But the problem is, if we create a rectangular selection, it is not possible to apply shadow like this. So what we're gonna do is create a rectangular selection anywhere. Now go to select, click on transform selection and rotate it by 45 degrees. Place it according to your text and hit enter. Now do the same, select the burn tool and create shadow. Now again go to select, click on transform selection, place it here, hit enter and select burn tool. There you go. Press Ctrl and D. Now on T, we will create the same shadow the way we have created here. So select the Marquee tool. Now we're going to create shadows for the text. So for doing this, create a new layer on the top. Now select the ellipse Marquee tool and create an ellipse selection like this. Fill the selections with black color. Press Ctrl and D to deselect. Now go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Blur it by 15 pixels and click OK. Now reduce its opacity to around 50% to make it look like a real shadow. Now you can adjust it. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, then please hit the like button, share the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.